In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Charles Schwab to Tradingview. And here's the honest answer you need up front. You cannot directly connect a Charles Schwab account to Tradingview for live trading. There's no login integration inside Tradingview, no way to place buy or sell orders through Schwab from the Tradingview interface, and Schwab is not listed as a supported broker in Tradingview's broker panel. That's simply because Schwab doesn't offer a retail integration with Tradingview at this time. So what actually works in the real world? You use Tradingview for charting and decision-making, and you execute the orders on your Schwab platform. This two-platform workflow is what most traders use, and once you set it up, it's smooth and reliable. Start by using Tradingview purely for analysis. Open your charts, choose your time frame, and load the indicators you rely on, like RSI or Fibonacci retracements. Draw your levels, mark your support and resistance, and create alerts for the price zones that matter to you. Alerts are the key to staying focused without staring at the screen all day. Configure them carefully with clear conditions and make sure your notifications are enabled so you get pinged on your device when the level hits. Keep your chart layout clean and consistent, and double-check that the ticker symbol and exchange match what you trade on Schwab to avoid confusion. When you've identified a trade from your Tradingview analysis or your alert fires, switch to Schwab to place the order. Log in, go to the trading section, enter the exact same ticker, and set up your order manually. Choose your order type, quantity, price, and time in force, then review everything before you submit. Take a second to confirm the direction, symbol, and order details match what you planned on Tradingview. This quick pause helps avoid errors and keeps your process disciplined. For the smoothest workflow, keep Tradingview visible while you place orders on Schwab. Many traders run Tradingview on one screen and Schwab on another, or split windows on a single monitor. With charts and alerts on one side and execution on the other, you can track levels, see how price is moving, and place orders without switching tabs repeatedly. Align your watch lists and naming conventions between platforms so symbols are easy to find, and keep your layouts consistent to minimize mistakes. To recap, while you can't connect Schwab directly to Tradingview for live trading, you can combine Tradingview for analysis with Schwab for execution. It's the standard, proven workaround used by traders everywhere.